got the same screen. I wish I got the same one. Lola, kinuha ni Box cellphone mo!
Lola! Si Box, kinuha yung cellphone mo.
Lola! Lola, si Box.
Kinuha ni Box ang cellphone mo.
Boknoy! Baka pinahuli na lang.
Doon sa gun. Ayong marinig.
Okay, it's just the two of us, I think. Oh, I'm a boy.
You're
I'm sorry, I am a boy. I'll try to be a boy because look at this.
My mind.
Look at this. Come on. Ow. Wait.
King Kong was a kid carpet.
I'm Sheriff. No, it's just the two of us. It's not three.
Wow. I'm a baddie, pretty little risky lady.
But where are you? Wow. Don't you dare use ghost. Guys, you see, there's to use ghost. Aliyah.
Oh, sheesh. So I shall turn over if I was a ghost.
Because you're using ghost. Stop it. Wait! Stop it!
You're my enemy.
Don't you dare use ghost. Aliyah, I'll block you.
Why?
Aliyah, I'll kill you.
I'm not scared of your little toy.
Aliyah, get out. I'm gonna walk. Stop. No, don't you dare scare me. Alet. She's gonna spam jump totally. Why? I'll kill you, Aliyah. Don't use ghost.
I'm not gonna use it.
I'll just hit you. Yeah, you kinda deserve that.
That's why I wanna use ghost. X-ray.
Nah, use X-ray. Use X-ray.
I already use X-ray.
Okay.
Boba. I love the boba.
Because you lang.
Oh, military base.
Why you said military?
Military base. That's the same thing.
No, it's not.
Nagbisita kahapon sila wala talaga akong bracket.
No, it's not.
Military base.
I just got the
Go away.
galaxy.
Go away.
Kasi hindi ko na naabutan ng palit ng bracket.
Yes, sir.
First time was a sheriff.
What? Why do you know first time? You already got some wins of the sheriff, even heroes. That's your luck.
Bro's mom jumper. Bro's a scared cat. Just talking. So guys, I'm vlogging. So you just talk with me. That's why I told
Why
you.
did you even get scared?
I got scared of your ugly face.
Yeah, I'm gonna block you.
Why?
I ain't gonna block you.
Why?
I'm gonna block you.
Why?
I'm gonna block you.
I just play with no reason. Then I just play for a reason. That's always gonna block
Okay,
me.
emotes, because I wanted you to get disconnected.
Disconnected. Please Wi-Fi again. Again? This is the third time.
Don't be a spoiled girl.
You're spoiled. I'll spoil your face.
Ah!
Boknoy!
Oh, sorry. I'll kill you.
Ah! La la la.
Time to chase you.
Is you dare chase me? I already know you are the murderer. Stop.
I'll follow you.
Stop, I'll kill you. I'm dead.
Victory.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna... Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
Mahabol si Quintin. Si Quintin kasi yun.
Let me pick the noodle.
Ito pala sa akin.
And the effects?
Nag-chat ka pala sa
James,
akin.
don't.
Nothing. No effects. I'm just kidding.
Holiday.
And since I picked the noodle, I'll go for
Slashes.
I'll go for
Huwag niyo sa ilang. Huwag niyo lang yung ano.
poison
Sa
carrots.
GC galing sa kero yung ala.
It's cursed, bro, not poison carrots.
I love poison carrots.
Paano yung ano?
Oh, then eat some rotten carrots.
I want some.
You said you want carrots. Yeah,
I am innocent. Try to kill me.
yeah, fine. I'll kill you suddenly. Realize.
Put your hands up to the police. This is so I was be like, I'm gonna telephone. Then Zoe just been like,
I know what you're
Zoe's
doing.
been like, nah, I'm not letting you escape. Boom! I died. Then Zoe's been like,
Let's go then.
that's your deserve. That's your deserve. You said that.
You deserve that
See?
for trying to escape from me.
I was escaping.
I just fall down because I accidentally fall down. And every time I fall down, I said, the one time,
Innocent.
no one here.
Like,
If
why?
you keep acting that, I'll kill you.
Then kill me if you want.
Paradise. Paradise.
Gimme! Give Huggy Wuggy a hug. Oh!
I suck your foot.
I wish the small guy was here.
So, guys, it's already 18 now, so bye-bye, guys. See you tomorrow.
I'm still gonna fall. Just kidding. Bye.